Fruits and vegetables. Welcome to the garden of yummy fruits. Let's see which fruits are waiting for us. This is an apple, red, green, or yellow. Apples are sweet and crunchy. This is a banana. It's yellow and soft. Monkeys love bananas. This is a strawberry. It's red and juicy with tiny seeds outside. These are grapes. They are small, round, and super sweet. This is a watermelon. It's big and round. Watermelons are juicy and sweet. This is a pineapple. It's spiky outside, sweet and yellow inside. This is a peach. It's soft and fuzzy. Peaches are sweet and juicy. This is a pear. It's green or yellow. Pears are soft, sweet, and yummy. This is a mango. It's soft, sweet, and very yummy. This is an orange. Round, orange, and full of vitamin C. These are blueberries. They are tiny and blue. Blueberries are sweet and fun to eat. These are cherries. They are red, round, and fun to eat. This is a melon. It's big, juicy, and sweet, just like summer. This is a kiwi. Brown outside, green inside, and a little bit sour.
Welcome to the vegetables garden. Let's explore the yummy and healthy veggies growing here. Are you ready to meet them? Let's go. This is a carrot. Carrots are orange and crunchy. Rabbits love them. This is broccoli. Broccoli looks like a little tree. It's green and super healthy. This is a cucumber. Cucumbers are long and green. They are cool and fresh. This is corn. Corn is yellow and comes on a cob. You can make yummy popcorn with it. This is an onion. Onions are round and can make you cry, but they taste great in food. This is a potato. Potatoes are brown outside and white inside. You can eat them mashed or as fries. This is a chili pepper. Chili peppers are red and spicy. They can be hot, so be careful. His is lettuce. Lettuce is green and leafy. We use it in fresh, crunchy salads. This is garlic. Garlic has a strong smell. It makes food super tasty. These are peas. Peas are small, round, and green. They hide inside a little pod. This is an eggplant. Eggplants are purple and soft when cooked. They are great in soups and stews. These are beans. Beans are long and green. They are soft and yummy when cooked. This is parsley. Parsley is small and green. We use it to add fresh flavor to food. This is cabbage. Cabbage is round and leafy. It can be green or purple. This is a tomato. Tomatoes are red and juicy. You can eat them raw or in sauces. This is spinach. Spinach is green and full of vitamins. It makes you strong. This is a zucchini. It helps your body work well. It also keeps you healthy and strong. This is a pepper. Peppers can be red, green, or yellow. They are sweet and crunchy. Great job, little explorers. Now you know many fruits and vegetables. They are colorful, healthy, and so yummy. Which one is your favorite? Thanks for watching.